Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about an exciting tower which is Al Habtoor Tower, right bang on Sheikh Zayed Road. Behind this tower, let's talk about the developer. It's AHG, which is Al Habtoor Group, which was found in 1970 by Khalaf Ahmad Al Habtoor. And if I talk about the existing portfolio of Al Habtoor, it's massive iconic developments all over Dubai. One of the major one is Al Habtoor City, which is a mix of residential tower and a commercial tower, hotel. It's a multi-billion-dollar investment. And also famous La Perla Aqua Theatre show, which is famous among the tourists. So let's talk more about Al Habtoor Tower. This is right bang on Sheikh Zayed Road, which is providing you excellent connectivity. Just 5 minutes away from downtown Business Bay area. This is Business Bay Canal area right here. All the developments are already there and residential is already completed, so people are living there. So this is metro connectivity, literally 5 minutes away, as you can see. If I talk about the tower, it's going to be ground plus 10 levels of parking and 82 floors. Going to be mix of 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments with 18 speed, high level speed elevators, and you have amenities on 3 floors, which is on 8th floor, 47th floor and 70 floor. Now if I talk about amenities, it's going to be high end, from infinity pool to paddle tennis to football court, library, lot of cafes and restaurants. Also to add on the ground floor, you have the retail shop of famous car brands like Bugatti, Pagani, McLaren. Now enough of me talking on the business model. Let's go and check out the actual site where the Habtoor Tower is. So as I was showing you in the business model, you can see the Al Habtoor city from Al Habtoor Palace, B Hotel, where the La Perla show is there, Hilton Grand, and these 3 residential towers. People are already living here and it's super close to downtown, just 5 minutes away, and also to the Dubai metro station. Now we are going to talk about Al Habtoor Tower, which is building here. As you can see, the construction is going on full swing. 45% of the construction is already being done, and interesting thing is, in October 2025, they're giving the handovers until 46th floor, and rest of the units will be handed over in 2026. So why we personally came here is literally to show you the construction is going on full swing. As you can see, 45% of the construction is already done, and a lot of sound and construction going on round. So let me show you upstairs, the show apartment, how it looks. So this is the sample apartment that they have made to showcase how the apartment is going to look like, how the finishes are going to look like. So let's go and check it out. Wow, this is amazing. So they are going to give you a smart home in all the segments, and look how spacious and how airy and beautiful finishing, very subtle touches, and at the same time giving you a very luxurious look in all their apartments. Let's start with a tour of this beautiful 3-bedroom apartment. It really gives like a feel of a villa, because as you enter, starting from the foyer and also the distance, and you know how spacious and airy the living and dining room they have made, attention to details on every aspect, and marble tops, kitchen island, and even the flooring. All the kitchen appliances are going to be included when you buy the apartment, including your fridge, your burner, oven, dishwasher, all from Miele, which is a beautiful German brand. Now as you enter, you have your powder washroom on your left, and this is your bedroom number 1 with ensuite washroom and wardrobe. These kind of finishes we usually find in developer like Ellington, Omniat, who are quite premium and quite luxurious, and boutique developers. They have given an extra space of even for washing area, washing and drying area. This is your space for maids. So All 3 beds comes with the maid room, which has ensuite washroom. This is your bedroom number 2 with ensuite washroom and wardrobe. The wardrobes are all a mix of parquet and the glass finishing, as you can see. And let's enter now to the master bedroom. Quite spacious and luxurious. I really like the color plating and the natural tones that they have used with his and hers. That's your washroom. Now let's go to the best part, which is the balcony. Because here you have your jacuzzi, your pool with your sunken beds and your garden area, giving you a premium look. We'll also showcase you the views that you're gonna get from your apartment, because these are on 70th floor. These penthouses are located above 70th floor. So you will have full ocean views. Also, one more thing to add, these are going to be the open balconies. This is just the sample apartment because the construction is going on. So hence the developer has just made this closed. So let me explain a bit about the configuration. It's going to be a mix of 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments, with 1 bedroom being super generous sizes starting from 850 goes till 1100 square foot. And the price range you're talking about 2.7 million dirhams average. 2 bedroom sizes are quite generous. Everything comes with a maid's room and every bedroom is ensuite. The sizes starts from 1400 square foot goes till 1800 square foot. For 3 bedroom, we are in 3 bedroom apartment, which are also having some categories in penthouses above 70 floor, comes with the pool and the garden at the deck. And starting sizes are 1800 square feet, goes till 2100 square foot. You have 2 sorts of payment plans attached to it. Either you go for 50-50, which is 50% during the construction and 50 when the developer hand over the keys to you. Or you can also choose for 60-40, which is 60% during construction and 40 with 2 years post handover. So you start living in and then you still have 2 years after the handover to pay the developer rest of the money. So it really gives you flexibility when you're paying towards the apartment which is already about to hand over. Also, you have options to get mortgage in which we can advise you. You can get in touch with us. It's already capturing a lot of interest from end users and investors. So if you would like to capture this beautiful investment for your portfolio with the trusted name behind it and prime location bang on Sheikh Zayed Road, just 5 minutes away from downtown, DM us right now. We will share all the details with you. And hey, the video is not over because we are showing you the actual views you're gonna get from your apartment. Let's go. So we just came at the building which is just next to Al Habtoor Tower to show you how the views will look like if you are sitting in your balcony. As you can see, beautiful sunset and ocean views from your apartment. Also, you're gonna enjoy clear views of Sheikh Zayed Road, Business Bay Canal, and mesmerizing city view. So that was all about Al Habtoor Tower. If you would like to know more information and units details, please get in touch today.